WittyCTV. And for those that don't know, I love plushies. Like, look at them. They so cute and cuddly. We got Coco right here. We got Soul. We got a LOL smiley face. I'm lying. I hate them. And why I'm outside? Because I'm about to run them over. Because I'm about to destroy them. I hate them. Here are all my plushies. Oh, so cute, so cute. Here's my lawnmower. Let's see the damage. All right, this guy got destroyed. Butt got ripped apart. All right, Coco survived. Looked pretty good. You did good. You come back. He got his head busted open, and he's smiling about it. It looks better like this. I ain't gonna lie. I might keep you. Look at him. Look like a grandpa. He fell into the neighbor's house. So he flipped into the neighbor's house, but he's pretty fine, pretty fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these two survived. Well, he ain't take too much damage. He just got shot in his stomach. Now he bleeding. His butt got ripped apart. His head got blew off. But let me see. He got a cut right there, but he'll survive. Unicorn got cut, but Coco survived. Coco is our champion. Live to see another day.